Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your internet connection from Ethernet to Wi-Fi on Windows 10. This is a quick and simple process, and it can be very useful if you want to disconnect from a wired connection and switch to wireless instead. So let's get started. First of all, go down to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type in Control Panel, and once it appears in the results, click on Open. After the Control Panel window opens, you'll see a lot of different options. From here, look for Network and Internet and click on it. On the next screen, select Network and Sharing Center. This section allows you to view and manage all of your network connections. Now, on the left-hand side of the Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings. This will open a new window showing all the network adapters currently available on your computer. You'll usually see an Ethernet connection and a Wi-Fi connection listed here. By default, Windows prioritizes Ethernet because it typically offers a faster and more stable internet connection. However, if you want to switch to Wi-Fi, you'll need to disable the Ethernet connection manually. To do this, simply right-click on the Ethernet adapter and choose Disable. Once you do that, Windows will automatically switch to the available Wi-Fi network, as long as Wi-Fi is enabled and connected. You can confirm the switch by checking the network icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It should now display the Wi-Fi symbol instead of the Ethernet icon. If you're not connected to a Wi-Fi network yet, click the icon and select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, then enter the password if required. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change from Ethernet to Wi-Fi on Windows 10. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the adapter settings and re-enable the Ethernet connection. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one.